21 days. That's the time it takes to form a habit. And coincidentally, it's how long I've been creating content on this YouTube channel. These past 3 weeks have been pivotal. And while many people focus on the first 90 days, it's those initial habits that truly set you up for success. To celebrate this milestone, I'm sharing 3 powerful life lessons that I've learned, ones that can drive success in any new challenge you take on. So strap in, because I'm not just talking about the habits I've been building on YouTube. I'm talking about the wealth of knowledge I've accumulated over the course of my 10-year business career and how you can apply what I know to your journey. Lesson 1: Be committed and consistent from day one. There's a saying in fitness: in 2 weeks, you'll feel it, in 4 weeks, you'll see it, and in 8 weeks, you'll hear it. The same principle applies to any new goal or opportunity. If you compare my first video to my most recent posts, you can already see the progress I've made. And it's a direct result of staying committed and consistent from the start. Whenever I take on something new, I dive in fully. I set goals, even in the early stages. Why? Because the first 21 days are when your growth is most visible. In this time, you'll start to understand systems, attend meetings where you hear unfamiliar terms, and begin researching what you don't know. You won't be an expert yet, but you'll be functional, and that's a great start. But there's a catch. As time goes on, it becomes harder to outwardly notice your progress. That's why consistency is key. By continuously setting goals and tracking what you want to learn, you'll keep improving at the same pace, even if it's not as immediately obvious. The growth is still happening, it's just more internal. Staying committed and consistent will keep you moving forward even when the changes aren't as visible anymore. Let me show you how this works in practice. Here, I'm setting goals on where I feel weakest: storytelling, connecting with my audience, and improving my visuals and thumbnails. My success will be measured by views and subscribers, but my growth will come from how I improve these skills. I'll track my progress by regularly auditing myself and my content, reading my scripts to ensure the pacing and the substance make sense, identifying my audience and how I want to connect with them, making multiple thumbnails for videos in order to test their success, ensuring that I'm improving in the areas that I've set out to grow. Lesson number 2. One of the fastest ways to grow is by seeking advice from others. Showing genuine interest in the experiences of your colleagues and being humble enough to admit when you don't know something opens doors to valuable mentorship and guidance. Whenever I face something unfamiliar, I reach out to someone who's been there before or has the expertise to guide me. Even if they don't have all of the answers, they're often willing to collaborate and share insights to help solve the issue or boost your skills. Now, I've experienced this firsthand with this channel. For example, I started paying attention to how other creators structure their videos and launched my Instagram page after speaking with a former student who's a content creator herself. She shared her early experiences, which have helped me shape my approach. My former colleagues also provide valuable feedback, pointing out areas for improvement and highlighting what they enjoy about my content. Their insights have been instrumental in my growth, and I can't stress enough how powerful it is to seek advice. Don't hesitate, reach out and ask. Lesson number 3, the most important one. Take the leap. You can't improve if you never start. All the research in the world won't matter if you're too afraid to put your ideas or passions into practice. There are endless excuses for not learning a new skill or starting a project that you've always dreamed of, and over-researching can be your enemy here. It can hold you back because you're trying to become an expert at something you've never even done. And when your first attempt falls short, it can be frustrating after all the effort you put into being perfect from the beginning. Look at any entrepreneur, superstar athlete, or content creator. They all started as amateurs. They took the risks, and many faced failure before finding success. The key is that they don't live with the question of what if. They took action. And if what you wanted doesn't turn out to be for you, that's okay. Just don't let fear stop you from trying. Risks require belief. You won't know if your decision is right or wrong. Doing what you believe in is what matters. You are strong enough to take that first step. And believe me, I'm confident that will make all the difference. I'm so confident, in fact, that I want to try a little experiment. I challenge you to share this video with 3 people. That small act can create a ripple effect across this entire channel. boosting views, increasing subscribers, and you'll be the driving force behind it. It's a small, simple step that can add up in a big way. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe. That one click means the world to me and helps this channel continue to grow. That's it for today. Let me know down in the comments what it is that you've always wanted to do, and come back once you've started it. I really want to see all of your success and progress. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.